What's up, YouTube? I'm here at my local box store to pick up my new acquisition, my new pellet cooker. I'm using my son's car. My truck's in the shop, and it's been in the shop. I don't know what the holdup is, but I'm making a long story short. I'm here to get my new Pit Boss pellet cooker, and we'll reveal what it is once I get it home. That's if it fits in this little joker. And we'll be back. What is up, YouTube? It's been a while since I've been on. Hey, I got a new one for you. Add a new member to the family, to the Pit Boss family. And in acquiring this one, had a couple family members leave. A little 3 series vertical smoker has a new home, as well as my members mark. Yeah, it's gone too. Somebody scooped it up. But in its place, I had to be honest, shared this with my wife. I've always had my heart set on the Austin XL by Pit Boss. I really love the size of it. I love the features and benefits, but that's not what I picked up. I picked up the Lowe's version of it, but it's the up-to-date version. It's the Pro Series. Matter of fact, I'll just let you see. This is it right here. It's the Pro Series. It's basically the Austin XL, but it's the Lowe's version of it. And it does have the Wi-Fi capabilities, just like the Brunswick. And I'm gonna get ready to get that bad boy put together, get it set up, get the first burn off done, and I will be back. This is not a how-to build video. That horse has been beat enough, but I will if I encounter anything that I haven't seen online, I'm gonna share it with you guys. One thing I am going to tell you now, I'm going to use a thread locker when I put it. That's what I should have told you guys when I put my Brunswick together. That way you ain't got to go back and do all and worry about bolts coming loose or fasteners coming loose on you. Use a thread locker, they're pretty much going to be stuck. But other than that, I'm going to be back because I'm going to get this box cracked open. I did open the box. I had this bad boy for over a week. Yeah, I know. I haven't put it together, but I'm gonna get it put together today. I bought this thing Wednesday of last week, and today is Friday. I did get the book out of the box. I wanted to thumb through the book, and man, I'm gonna get this bad boy put together, get the first burn off, and I will be back. Yeah, there's one other thing, and I'm using the lid because the lid just the box top raises off. And I'm just going to use that as a trash receptacle. Put all the garbage in there. That's pretty much what I did with the Brunswick as well. That way you ain't got a mess. And if you're working in a confined area, as I am, this helps control your space. Just a little side note, but this baby is well packed. I'm even more motivated to get this bad boy up and running. This is awesome. And I will be back. All right, folks, so you can see pretty much all the contents or the parts are packed inside the chamber, just like you would see in all the other build videos. I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but just giving you guys, a little heads up. Basically, what I'm going to do before I tilt it on its side so I can install the legs and stuff, I'm going to take everything out. I left the styrofoam on the edge here, and I actually added a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna lay down a moving blanket. That way when I lay it down on its side, I'm not gonna damage anything or scratch the paint. I'm gonna leave the plastic on it as well, but I'll open this up and say, oh wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. I'm gonna close it back up, and I'm gonna use some painter's tape, the low tack stuff to the blue stuff like I did here on the hopper. I'm gonna do that to the door so it don't fly open and I don't get it hung on something. I just don't want anything stupid to happen, because I've had it happen to me in the past. And I'll be back. All right, folks, just a quick note. You can see the oil stains. This is why you do a burn off, so you can burn all this coating that they put on for shipping purposes, so the parts don't rust while sitting in the box. This is why you do a burn off, to burn off that kind of stuff. You don't want that in your food. It does great to keep your cooker looking nice, but you don't want to be eating it.
and we'll be back.
I know I said I wasn't gonna do a build video, but I just want you folks to see this. This stuff is clearly marked. It's well packed. Man, look at this. RF, right front, right back. Look at these wheels. Man, these are rubber. This, I can't wait. This is awesome. And part of the instructions, hand tighten the screws for the legs. That way you can get the tray on and then tighten everything else up. So, and I'll be back.